So our experiment consists of three parts. First one is classification of different eye movements and like blink, double blink, wink, up movement, down movement, left movement. So these different movements will be converted into the control signals. Uh, we will classify the each activities of eyes. Let's say wink, double blink, wink. So once the classification is done, we can use so that we can use it as in control commands. Second part consists of gauge calibration. In gauge calibration, uh, we are trying to calibrate the where the user is looking into the screen, and uh, based on that the game object's position can be changed into our prototype game. So we have the third part is our prototype game. We call it as a VR rail surfer. So in that a game a virtual object is running on the three parallel train tracks, and based on the gaze of the player, it will change the different track, and the train is coming, and by using the different eye gestures or eye signals, blink, wink, double blink, up movement, our virtual object will jump over the train, move left, right, and so this kind of the controls will be applied into the virtual game object. We are using total of 6 electrode. One is ground, one is neutral, and two for the horizontal movement and two for the vertical movement of the eyes. The EOG signal for the different eye movements like blink, double blink, wink, and upper movement and right down movement will be recorded. These are blink and double blink EOG signal. Once we have the raw electrooculogram signal, we will do the feature extraction corresponding to each movement of the eye, and then we will do the feature selection, and we will classify our SVM. Next step is to estimate the gauge position. Whole HDMI screen is divided into 16 parts, and a small dot, blinking dot will appear into each section, and based on that we will calibrate the gauge position. Once we have the easy classifications of different eye movements and the gauge estimation, we will translate these them into the control signals for the virtual reality game control, and then from there onwards our game object will be controlled based on the blink, double blink, wink, and different gestures of the eyes. Game object's position can be changed by using the eye movement of the player, and the gauge. Changing the gauge of the player will change the position of the game object on different tracks. So he can jump from one track to another track. So these intuitive controls enhance the overall virtual experience and the virtual immersion of the user playing the game. The advantage of EOG electrooculogram or EOG based control for the virtual reality and virtual environment control is that it gives user more immersive experience, as the user is not dependent on any external control objects like hand or gloves or mouse or joysticks. So as the user is totally submerged in the virtual environment, and it's as the controls are given by the eye's natural movement, so overall immersive experience by using the EOG based control is enhanced as compared to the traditional uh, game controls